Supercharge your Laravel apps with instant messaging and real-time voice capabilities by seamlessly integrating Twilio. First, let's get our Laravel project ready. We'll navigate to our project's root directory in the terminal. Our next crucial step is to install the official Twilio PHP SDK. This will be done using Composer, our indispensable dependency manager for PHP. With the SDK installed, we need to configure our Twilio credentials. This involves obtaining your account SID and auth token from your Twilio console. We'll then securely store these credentials within our Laravel applications environment file, ensuring they're not hard-coded directly into our codebase. Now, let's create a dedicated service or controller within your Laravel application to manage our Twilio interactions. This will house the logic for sending messages and making calls. Within the service, we'll instantiate the Twilio client using the credentials we configured earlier. This client is our gateway to all Twilio's communication features. To send an SMS, we'll call a specific method on the Twilio client, providing the TIN number. From number, your Twilio phone number, and the message content itself. Similarly, for initiating voice calls, we'll utilize another method, specifying the to and from numbers and potentially TWML instructions to define the call's behavior. Finally, we'll trigger these communication actions from our Laravel routes or controllers, allowing your application to initiate these events dynamically.